I welcome you all back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking to you about another trading platform, and this platform is called Coinryse.org. Without wasting time, note that I'm not your financial advisor, therefore you need to do your research on the platform before you actually go in and invest any amount here. In the description of this very video, I'll be leaving the link to this platform called Coinryse so that you can actually click on the link. And once you click on the link, you'll be redirected to this interface as you can see from here. So once you click on the link, you'll be redirected to this interface as you can see. So once you are redirected here, input here your email address. Make sure that the email address you're going to provide is a valid one because you're going to be sending a verification code to that very email. So note that the email you're providing is valid. So once you provide the email, you just have to click on next. And once you click on next, all that you need to do is to go ahead and then get the verification code. And then you paste in the verification code to verify the account registration. Then you just click on one register. So that's how simple to register to come on board. So now after the sign up process is done, all that you need to do is just have to click on login for below here. So you click on login. That's after you're done. And then you have to input here your email address you provided during the sign up process. And then you put in here the password you provided. And then you go ahead and you click on login. So as you can see, once you log in, you'll be presented with the dashboard as you can see. So that is how to sign up and log in to Coinryse. Next video, I'll be taking you on a tour to understand all that you need to know about Coinryse trading platform. See you in the next video.